This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. To remove a windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm from the screen, squeeze together the tab each side and slide the blade from the arm. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the windscreen. Slide the wiper blade onto the arm until the clip engages, then lower the blade to the windscreen. To replace the tailgate wiper blade, remove it by simply disengaging the blade pivot pin from the end of the arm. Rest the arm against a cloth to prevent it from damaging the screen. Fit the new wiper blade by pressing the pivot pin into position.